editing, post-processing, printing, as it used to be called in the darkroom, has always required that we do something to the negative. There's a saying, Tony Kuiper of Luminosity Masks fame describes this as recovering the light. He says the original raw file, the negative, if you will, is perfunctory. It's almost totally devoid of the aesthetic potentials. Ansel Adams put it perfectly when he said the negative is the score and the print is the performance. I advocate that you can edit an image in, on average, 5 minutes. So how am I going to fill a presentation of 1.5 to 2 hours? I can edit an image in 5 minutes. So my approach is to talk very slowly. You don't have to spend hours in front of your PC or your Apple Mac editing your images. You must consider where you want to go with your image. What's your pre-visualization? What's your view? What do you want this print or this finished image to look like? My favorite term for the white slider is that light slider. It brings light into the image. Look at the sun, hit that. As you move that slider, it's like the sun just comes out and bounces off the mountain. Beautiful. You can't make an image sharp that's out of focus. You can use as many sharpening tools as you want and whack texture and clarity all the way to the right to simulate some level of sharpness. You can't correct it. A soft image is a soft image. And this particular tree on this stack here is only illuminated for about 10 to 15 minutes per day. So we've got great big mountains and valleys, and this is down in a valley. My intention is to recreate what I saw, a very dark surrounding and this beautifully illuminated tree with this crazy ladder going up the side. I don't know if they have to go up and water it or prune it. I've no idea. So we've gone from that to that, which is surprising, isn't it? One thing I hope you've noticed is that when we're using the sliders, we don't just whack them. That's exposure done, white's done, shadows done, highlights done, clarity done, finished. No, we're teasing the information out. We're teasing the light out of the image. Chromatic aberration is purple and green or cyan fringing where you have dark against light. And I think it is an issue on this particular image. Never use auto, never use daylight or anything else. I always use cloud. And the reason for that is that on the back of my camera, the colors that are presented to me are consistent. I have never, ever touched the contrast slider. Not once. And never, ever have. And the reason for that is because when you move sliders in opposition, like we've been doing, you're creating contrast away from the slider.
Step away from the
Step away from the slider.